How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River Sandpiper 4003 MB. Now the MB for the floor plan is going to stand for mid-bunk. We're going to start with our pass-through storage first. So you have your battery disconnect switch, some outlets, a nice light to illuminate the area. And then next to that you have your outdoor kitchen. So you have a fridge to keep your drinks cold. Below your entry door you do have some nice solid steps, 2 awnings on this side, as well as 1 slide out. And then if we make our way to the back of the fifth wheel here, we're going to run into your backup camera prep as well as your Lippert ladder backer. And then down below you do have a nice towing package. Making our way to the driver's side, we're going to run into your 50 amp power cord right away, as well as 3 slide outs. So 4 total on this fifth wheel altogether. Looking down at the tires, you can tell that this fifth wheel is dual axle. And then we're going to come across your heat exhaust as well as your water heater and the other side of your pass-through storage. So you have your 30 amp solar controller down there, as well as your electronic leveling system. And then at the very front of this fifth wheel, you have your heavy duty Lippert Rhino box hitch, as well as those beautiful docking lights. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this fifth wheel, we're going to start with our freestanding dinette first, so you can seat up to about 4 people. You do have a cute little wireless charger with USB ports in the middle there, and next to that we have your theater seating. So obviously it does recline. It is actually adjacent from your entertainment center, which is really nice. Cup holders on either side, and then on the back wall of this fifth wheel we have a couch. Now this couch does fold into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers, as well as plenty of storage up top there. And then, like I said, directly across from your theater seating, you have your entertainment center. So, smart TV, sound system by JBL up in there, as well as your sexy fireplace. We love to see it. Behind this, we do have some hidden storage, pantry storage, camping supplies, what have you, totally up to you. Taking a step back, we can see just how pretty and gorgeous this kitchen is. You have a nice little pop out on the end of your kitchen island, single basin sink, as well as tons of storage up in there. You have a 3-burner cooktop, oven, microwave, residential style fridge. Check out those gorgeous lights above that kitchen island. So pretty. And then through this door here, we're going to find our middle bunk. So like I said at the beginning, MB is going to stand for middle bunk. This couch right here can sleep up to about 2 people, and then the flip down bunk can sleep 1. Across from that, you have a little desk area, some wardrobes, maybe a place for a TV, kind of a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. All right, going up these stairs, we're going to open this cabinet here to reveal your control panel. You can control your awnings, your slide outs, all that good stuff. And then we do have one other bunk area up top here. So probably just for 1 kiddo. It's not very big. And then if we keep moving forward, we're going to run into the bathroom. So you have a porcelain toilet, pretty good sized fiberglass walk-in shower. You have a seat in there as well. Cute little place for your towels. For oversized mirror for sure, as well as your sink. And then at the very front of this fifth wheel, you're going to find your main bedroom. So you have a king-size bed. You do have storage underneath it, as well as shelves on either side and outlets. And then behind your front cap, you do have washer and dryer prep, as well as even more storage space, which is just crazy. Across from your bed, you do have a little bit of cabinetry and TV backer prep above it. All right, guys, that's going to be your 2025 Forest River Sandpiper 4003 MB. Thank you so much. Have a great day. For middle bunk, this couch right here can sleep up to about 2 people, and then the flip down bunk can sleep 1. Across from that, you have a little desk area, some wardrobe.